Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas. We need 2 yellow A4 sheet or 1 orange A4 sheet.
Just like the street lights lit this
Draw a circle on it and cut it.
Gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out.
We need a cardboard and cut it in 3 circles, 1, 2 or 3. Now we need some artificial flower. Now attach the flower with the circle with the help of glue gun.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a strike.
Now attach the A4 circle on
You
it.
know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up. Tonight, we're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight, we're gonna light it up. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna light it up.
Now we need an orange glitter sheet and make the circle on the back side of the glitter sheet. Cut it. Now stick the glitter circle on it for more decoration.
Like the street lights lit
And it's look like this.
fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night.
Now we done all the decoration and it's look like this. Bye bye.